Just like going to the movies, sometimes a run to the snack bar is just the right thing at the right time.
Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby together.
What do you say we take a step back to the old neighborhood? If you remember the old neighborhood, you knew the best joints with the best food. The corner bar with that great burger. Ribs at the barbecue joint. Every neighborhood had that one pizza joint down the street that had the best pizza ever. You want a good plate of spaghetti and meatballs? Or some linguine with clams? You knew just the place to go. This is old neighborhood cooking. Today we're making the Sanguige. Begin by gathering all your ingredients. Full loaf of bread, a quarter pound each of the salami, prosciutto, cavagon, and make sure that you make your good banana pepper sauce. That's a dressing that's going to go on top of the sandwich and make it taste really good. Prepare the sauce by chopping the banana peppers, adding to the other ingredients, slice your tomatoes and your red onions. Cut the loaf of bread in half, scoop out the center, save that for other uses. You can make good breadcrumbs or even a good panzanella salad with it. Lay out all your meats and your cheeses. That makes it easier for when you're making the sandwich itself. Sneak a piece in if you're the chef once in a while. That's okay to do too, unless you get caught. And now, make the sandwich. Begin by drizzling a real good quality olive oil all over the top of the bread and the bottom of the bread. And then start layering your meats and your cheeses on. We start with the prosciutto di Parma. You want to make sure that you cover the entire loaf of bread with the meat so that every bite will have every flavor. It's okay to overlap a little bit and to go over the edges. It all looks good, tastes better. Next comes a salami al dani. Then the mortadella. This is a good mortadella. It's made with pistachios in it. And then this time we're using a sweet cavagon, which is a good ham. You've got some provolone cheese. We'll top that with a full layer of tomatoes and then slices of the red onion. And then of course the dressing. We use that banana pepper sauce. Lay out the banana peppers right over the meats, the cheeses and veggies. Drizzle the sauce over what's left of the sauce over the top of the bread. Press it down, and here you have the Sanguige. So, let's get out of the cabin. Let's go out and find some place to eat. On a cloudy, rainy day on our retreat, This time, we'll land along the old Grand Traverse Bay. Dave, gonna cut the sandwich into 4 pieces, and ready? Manja manja.
I'm Gary Paraskevich.
I'm Tom Buffa.
I'm Mike Portuesi.
And I'm Dave Portuesi.
We're signing off from KPBPtv and Old Neighborhood Cooking. See you later. Gentlemen, enjoy the Sanguige.
Yeah.
I identify the first just because she is so nice, Angelina. Angelina, the waitress at the pizzeria. I super minestrone just to be with her alone, Angelina.
Old Neighborhood Cooking and ONC, the Old Neighborhood Video Cookbook, are brought to you by the KP Productions video team, the DLC Media Group, and Cup Sound Studios, in cooperation with Busted Pipe Production.
Angelina, I live for you. Hey, my shorty, set my heart on fire. But Angelina, you never listen to my song. I eat on the pasta twice just because she is so nice, Angelina. Angelina, the waitress at the pizzeria. Got soup and minestrone just to be with her alone, Angelina.
Chendano, boys.
Angelina,
Chendano.
the waitress at the pizzeria.
100 years.
Manja manja. Good to see you. Thank you very much. See you next time on Old Neighborhood Cooking.
Manja, manja.